Let's dive into a 5-step framework that will seriously improve your web projects and client relationships.
We've all been there. The project looks great, and then bam, the client complaints start rolling in.
And what's crazy is, it's usually not a skill issue. The real problem, it's the process.
All these complaints usually start as tiny, missed details that just snowball into huge client headaches.
So the trick is to get proactive. A solid quality assurance framework is the answer. And it all starts before anyone even thinks about writing a single line of code. Let's get into it.
First up, document everything. This simple step alone prevents a ton of misunderstandings later on.
Okay, with that foundation in place, we can now move on to internal testing.
This means your team thoroughly tests everything before the client ever sees it. It's an absolute must. I mean, look at the difference. One path builds trust, the other just creates frustration. Your checklist needs to be thorough. We're talking cross-browser, mobile, page speed, the whole shebang.
Okay, step 3 is a big one. Use a staging environment. Seriously, never test on a live site.
All right, once everything's been checked internally, it's finally time to bring the client into the loop. Step 4 is the pre-launch walkthrough. Don't just send a link, you have to actually show them the site. This builds their confidence and pretty much eliminates all those annoying post-launch questions. But hang on, we're not quite done when the site goes live. There's one final crucial step.
And that's step 5, post-launch monitoring. Because even with perfect tests, real users are unpredictable. So after all that, what's the real payoff? Let's bring it all back to the beginning.
Just look at this. You go from an average of 8 revision cycles down to just 2. That's a huge win. And it's not just about saving time. This entire process protects your reputation and builds real trust. So remember, this isn't about adding more work. It's about building a system that protects everyone. So the real question you have to ask is this: is your current process building trust, or is it creating friction?